Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through how to subscribe to the Generative AI Lab from the AWS Marketplace. Start by visiting the product page on AWS Marketplace and click Subscribe to the Generative AI Lab product. Next, you'll need to select the version of the product. In this example, we'll choose the latest version, which is 7.1.0. Now, select the region where you'd like to deploy the instance. Under Choose Action, select Launch through EC2. You'll now configure your deployment. Select the appropriate instance type, set up your security group, key pair, storage, and attach an IAM role. Make sure the IAM role assigned to the instance has the following permissions: AWS Marketplace, meter usage, and EC2, describe instance types. Also, ensure that metadata access is enabled, and that the metadata version is set to both v1 and v2. Once everything is set, click on Launch Instance. It may take a few minutes for the instance to be created and for the AMI to be fully ready. After that, the Generative AI Lab will be accessible in your browser at http://public IP of the instance. To log in, use these credentials: username, admin, password, the instance ID of your EC2 instance. And that's it. You're now logged in and ready to use the Generative AI Lab. Thanks for watching.